Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. Today I will show you the essential Miro shortcuts that keep you in the zone and supercharge your workflow productivity. Press N anywhere on your board to instantly create sticky notes. No toolbar clicking required. Hit S for shapes when you need to add structure. Use L for connection lines to link ideas together. Press T for text boxes when you need labels or annotations. These 4 shortcuts eliminate 90% of toolbar navigation during active collaboration sessions. Master board navigation without losing focus. Hold the space key and drag to quickly move around large boards. Press G to toggle grid view for precise alignment. Use Command or Control and the plus icon key to zoom in on details. Command or Control plus minus to zoom out for a big picture view. Press Command or Control plus 0 to reset to 100% zoom instantly. Hold Command or Control and click to select multiple objects at once. Press Command or Control plus A to select everything on your board. Use Tab to move forward through objects, or Shift plus Tab to move backward without using your mouse. Hit Return or Enter to edit selected objects immediately. Press Command or Control and D to duplicate any selected object instantly. Need multiple copies? Continue pressing D to create as many duplicates as needed. Hold Alt or Option and drag to duplicate while positioning in one smooth motion. Perfect for creating multiple sticky note sections or repeating diagram elements. Select multiple objects and press Command or Control plus G to group them together. Move grouped objects as one unit during presentations. Press Command or Control plus Shift plus G to ungroup when you need to edit individual elements. Use Command or Control plus F to search for specific content across large boards instantly. Press F to add frames around related content for clean organization. These shortcuts transform cluttered boards into professional presentations. Press Y to create a table. Press C to create a comment. There are way more, so please let us know in the comments if you want a part 2 of this. Subscribe for more productivity tutorials that help you collaborate like a pro. Thanks for watching.